I just wanted to show you guys real quick how easy the LinkrSyncr templates are. So I have edited my template and I've exported it as a PDF. This is my call to action page. Okay, so I'm going to add my links in this with PDF-Linkr, but let me show you. So here's my planner, my Monday planner. It has no links at all. I'm going to open up LinkrSyncr. Okay, here's my LinkrSyncr, so I'm going to apply links to a new PDF. And it's going to ask me to open the LinkrSyncr file, which is the JSON file, okay? So I'm going to open that, and then it's going to pop up again and say, what PDF do you want to apply that link to? I'm going to apply it to the new PDF that I just exported. And now it says, what do you want to name it? I'm going to name it Google Linked. And it's done. So now I have a Google Linked PDF that has all of my links in it in one click. So all I have to do now is use PDF-Linkr to go to that file, and I want to add this to page 2. Go to the next page. Okay, so I want to add a link here. Oops, I told you wrong, guys. Let's go to add custom link. My bad. So I want to add my link here. I want to add that link there, so that's on page 2, and I want it to go to PDF-Linkr. Okay, so now I also want to add on page 2, I want this to be a link as well to PDF-Linkr. Okay, so now let's look at our most updated PDF. So now this is a link to PDF-Linkr, and this is a link to PDF-Linkr. And let's go to, I have my Google Calendar links. So that's how simple it is to make a planner and link it with the LinkrSyncr file.